Yenny went shopping and spent $60 on the table. She used 3/4 of the remaining. Again, the word remaining tells you must draw a model. So I'm going to draw a model represent Yenny's amount of money Yenny's have. And cut out $60 to buy a table. The rest is the remaining. Okay? She used 3/4 of the remaining money to buy a chair. So from this statement, I know my remainder have to be redraw and cut into 4 parts. 3/4 over here, and that is to buy a chair. He was then left with 1/5 of her initial amount of money. So this is the amount left, right? So this is 1/5 of all of his money. So this is 1 unit. That means this is 5 units, right? This is 1 unit, original amount must be 5 units because 1/5 of the initial. So initial is this. Got it? So this 1 unit, this 3 will be 1 unit also. Then this will be 4 units. Total must be 5 units because it says 1/5 of the initial amount. So the total over here must be 5 units. Okay, come from the denominator. So if 5 units is the total and remainder is 4 units, then $60 will be equal to 1 unit. Follow that? Matthew? Braden got that? So 1 unit is $60. Now the question is, how much money did she have at first? At first it is $60 plus 4 units. Or in short, you can say 5 units at first. 1/5. Okay, so 5 is a total. So 5 times 60. $300. Any question? Any question, everybody? No question, we'll move on. With question, please ask. Very important. This is a very basic concept which you will master because the later part will get more and more complicated. Question 6. Answer to question 6, everybody. It is not 28. Dion, you're correct. Cheryl, you're correct. It's not 28. It's not 168. It's not 42. Oh, no. Matthew, you're correct. Sorry, Matthew, you're correct. It's not 168. Matthew, you're correct. Dion, you're correct. Any more? Okay, let's continue. So John bought a bag at $12. He used 3/5 of his remaining money to buy a watch. Again, the keyword remaining tells you have to draw a model. So this bar represents all of John's money. Cut out $12 to buy a bag. The rest is the remainder. I will indicate very clearly where the remainder is. I'm going to redraw the remainder. And I see from this statement, remainder must have 5 parts because it says 3/5 of the remaining money. So kind of 5 parts, 3 parts is to buy a watch. The rest is left. Now, this is an interesting part. He is left with 2/7 of his initial amount of money. So what does it mean? It means that in the end, there's 2 units and total 7 units. So from this model, you can see the 2 units are here. I can use this as the 2 units. And then total here is 7 units. Okay, 2 units, 2 over 7 of total. So I put this as 1 unit, 1 unit each. So this is the 2, this is the left, which is 2/7. So 2 units, just nice. There's 2 units here. And this total is 7 units. Okay. So this will be 1 unit each. Remainder with 5 units. Now from this model, you can see that Total is 7 units, which is given from this question, 7 units. Remainder 5 units over here. And 7 minus 5, 2 units will be referring to the $12 bag. 2 units is the $12 bag. So 1 unit is $6. How much money did he have at first? You can simply multiply by $7, 7 units here. Okay, total 6 times 7, $42. Okay, any question for question 6? Any question? No question? Okay. Question 7. Answer to question 7. It is not 72, it is not $64.80. There's no cents for question 7. Dion, you're correct. Cheryl, you're correct. Matthew, you're correct. It's not 27. It's not 27. Why so many people get 27 now? It's not. Okay. Please follow through the question 6, 5, 6 is important. It's the same idea. Now, listen carefully. The steps are the same. All right. The concept for question 6, 5, and 6 is the same as 7. You want to try to do your corrections now. This is quite. If you follow the same process, you should be able to get question 7 correct. I give you 1 minute to try, do your corrections. Those who got 27, you're wrong. Try to do a correction. 54, you're also not correct. No, sorry. 54 correct. The answer is 54. You can try. 6480 is also not correct. Answer is 54. You can try. Okay. Pause the recording. I hope those who do corrections, I hope you get 54. Okay, this is how I do it. First, I'll draw a bar model representing all of Yanni's money, cut out $18 to represent the food Yanni spends on. Then the rest is the remainder. I indicate clearly. I'll redraw the remainder into 3 parts because of this. Okay, this statement, 1/3. So 1/3 is here to buy books. The rest is left. And it says 4/9 of her money at first. So this is equal to 4/9 of her money, which is this is equal to 4/9. So total is 9 units. All this is 9 units. This yellow box is 4 units. Now, because of the numerator here, 4/9 of the total. Total is 9 units. The yellow box is 4 units. Now look at this. There is 2 parts here and it's 4 units. So therefore, each part has to be 2 units. Correct? Can you see that? So if each part is 2 units, then this has to be 2 units also. The remainder will be 6 units. Total is 9 units. Okay, it's from the denominator. Now, if I use 9 units minus remainder 6 units, I will get $18. 3 units is $18. So 1 unit is $6. Any question until here? Any question? How much did she have at first? So at first it is $18 plus 6 units, or you can simply 9 units times $6. $54. Either way is fine. Okay, next question number 8. Answers to question number 8. Okay, Marcus, Cheryl, Dion, you're correct. Matthew, you're correct. Anybody else? I hope you get it right this time. It's not 324. You want to try again? Braden, you want to try again? It's not 324, you know. You must draw a model first, represent all of John's money. It's totally off, no, 324. Then you take out $210, and this is to be given to his mother. The rest is the remainder. Do you have this model? Braden, do you have this model? Yes or no? Braden. Okay, good. Remainder divided into 5 parts, right? You have this, Braden. Braden, answer me. Do you have this? Do you have remainder cut into 5 parts? You must, you know, because he donated 4/5 of his remainder. So 4/5 of the remainder is donated, and this is left. And what about the left? This says that the left is 1/6 of his salary, meaning this is 1 unit. The total is 6 units. So if this is 1 unit and is 1 part, I can safely say it's 1 unit, right? Then this 4 will be 1 unit each. Remainder is 5 units. Can you see that, Braden? This is not difficult to do, you know. You must get this right. So you know that total is 6 units. Right, it's given here. Is a denominator. And remainder is 5 units. Therefore, $210 is 6 units minus 5 units. 1 unit. So 1 unit is $210. And then how much is his salary? Salary is 6 units. Total here 6 units. So 6 times 210. 1260. Okay, let's look at question number 9. Everybody, question number 9. Marcus, you're correct. Dion, you're correct.